Left Eagar in the morning light, desert wind calling me to ride through painted canyons burning bright, where ancient spirits still abide. Miles of silence, miles of stone, this lonely road becomes my home. Golden orange skies are falling through the Navajo land. I'm rolling Monument Valley's towers calling, San Juan River where I'm going. Aspen leaves are turning gold, Arizona mountains at my back, stories that the wind has told guide me down this dusty track. Miles of silence, miles of stone, this lonely road becomes my home. The Navajo land, I'm rolling Monument Valley's towers calling, San Juan River where I'm going. Reservation trading posts roll by, turquoise and silver in the sun. Endless mesa meets endless sky, two worlds bleeding into one. Miles of silence, miles of stone, this lonely road becomes my home. Golden orange skies are falling through the Navajo land. I'm rolling Monument Valley's towers calling, San Juan River where I'm going. Weathered homes dot the crimson sand, cattle grazing on the sun-drenched plain. I'm just passing through this land where the old ways still remain. Miles of silence, miles of stone, this lonely road becomes my home. Golden orange skies are falling through the Navajo land. I'm rolling Monument Valley's towers calling, San Juan River where I'm going. Winding roads through reservation land, mesas standing like sentinels, colors only got to paint by hand. This southwestern odyssey compels sacred ground beneath my wheels, red rock rising to the sun, ancient earth the way it feels. Mexican head, my journey's done. Miles of silence, miles of stone, this lonely road becomes my home. The desert skies have darkened through the Navajo land that holds me. Monument Valley I have hearkened, Mexican head has found me. By the river's edge I'll stay, where the red rocks soar up high. At the end of this highway